Welcome back to the Auto Intuitive. Isaac here. We're sitting in a 2025 Kia K5 GT. I've actually never sat in one of these, so look at that. We have our screen here, just like you have in some of the more high-end vehicles. And I'm mighty impressed with Kia's work. You got quite a lot for the money. And so you have your drive modes down here, you have heated steering wheel, heated seats, you have a camera button. But I was sitting here and I couldn't find the volume button, because this button here is your drive mode. This is for your heated seat, passenger heated seat. Do you see any knob anywhere for the music? There's my stuff there. Oh yeah, Auto Intuitive. Look at that, a business card. So here you have your climate for my side, climate for passenger, and if you want to get the volume, you could either do it by the steering wheel. There you are. Better turn that down so we don't get a copyright. Or if you see the screen here, this changes, but there's one press of something that changes how it's orientated, and that is right here. See this one, the arrow? Look at that. Now this is a volume. Haha. No longer climate. And then it gives you more menus here. And on this side you have tune. Interesting, right? But if you click the fan, it changes it all up back to climate. So that's how you turn up the volume and turn it down in a Kia K5. Thanks for watching. I learned something new as well.